Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Clickup for new hire onboarding in 5 easy steps. Clickup makes onboarding simple by keeping tasks, docs, and communication all in one place. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Step 1 is creating an onboarding space or folder. This helps you keep everything related to new hires organized. Inside it, you can create lists for different roles or departments, so onboarding stays structured and easy to manage. Step 2 is building onboarding task lists. Create tasks for things like account setup, paperwork, training sessions, and introductions. You can add due dates, priorities, and detailed descriptions so nothing gets missed. Yeah, it really helps with consistency. Step 3 is assigning tasks automatically. Assign tasks to the new hire, their manager, or HR. You can even use task templates or automations so every new hire gets the same onboarding steps without manual work each time. Step 4 is using ClickUp Docs as an internal knowledge hub. Create docs for company policies, tools, and training guides, then link them directly to onboarding tasks. This way, new hires always know where to find important information. Step 5 is tracking progress and communication. Use task statuses, comments, and assigned comments to see what's completed and what still needs attention. You can also use dashboards to get a quick overview of onboarding progress across multiple new hires. As a bonus tip, you can personalize onboarding by adding welcome messages, checklists, and even milestones to celebrate key moments like first week completion. This makes the onboarding experience more engaging and less overwhelming. And that's it. Using ClickUp for new hire onboarding keeps everything organized, repeatable, and stress-free for both teams and new employees. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.